On my last video, we added more organized instructions, changed the font, and we changed some of the coloring on the recipe card or recipe manual type of thing. Now for this video, I found out that I like it better if they were inside the eye icon. Now if you don't know what the eye icon is, just keep watching, you'll see it. I'm gonna click on it. So that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna put it inside that eye into a new page or a new component. So that's what we're gonna do. On my last video, I had we had instructions text filled in here. I was looking at it earlier, and I removed it. It looks better. I think it looks better with minimal information in the front, and then we can get in here or use this eye icon to display the steps. So we're gonna do that. All right, so let me give you a quick rundown how it was last time. So let me just do this really quick, save it, and then okay, so this blueberry lavender sauce and ginger snap ice cream cups. Well, as you can see here, I had all the instruction text in the front page, and that's what I'm going to remove, and then I'm going to add it in here in this eye. So let's go back to the code and let's uncomment that out. So we can make it just look like a picture card or something like that. Let's see it now. Okay, you see, it's just the picture and then the actual plate of whatever the recipe. Yeah, so that's I would say we'll style it a little bit more, just to make it more appealing. It looks kind of dull right now, so we'll make it look nice though. But moving on. Okay, so here we're gonna go, and I'll say we'll build a new component, and then I'll just do it from here. A new folder. Recipe, no. Instruction. Call it the instructions component. And here put a file. Put an index file. Just an index file. Okay. Alright, so in here, so and I would say we're gonna go, well, let me do the export. What the heck is processing? I didn't even write that. So let's go with functional component. So font instructions. And I'm gonna do a return statement. And then I'm gonna start with empty enclosures or empty tags. So instruction, never use instructions. Let me rename that. I think I spelled instructions wrong. Instruction. And then same. I think that should be it, right? And then I'm gonna, save Excel. And then I would say from here, I would take it to the dashboard. This is where I house my class component, and then I want to put it in the let's see, import instructions. I'm trying to import it to my class component guest dashboard. So oops. And then I'm going to go to components, and then I'm going to say instructions. There's 2 of them. What? No, there's 1. Okay, so, and then here, I want to put it inside, or do I want to put it? No. This is incorrect. This doesn't go here. I'm already confusing myself. Look at that. Okay, so we're going to go. Okay, so I would say we're going to, okay. I'm going to say I'm going to create a state, instruct. I'm going to say instruct click, and then I'm going to say false. And then I'm going to create instructions. I'm going to say instruction info icon. And then down here, I'm going to say this dot set state dot pre. And then in here, I'm going to say instruct click, and I'm going to equal that to the opposite. And then I want to log it. Instruct click. Move that out of the way. Put that back over here. And then I spelled state incorrect. Nope, right there. And let's see what that does. Yeah, I don't think it does anything right now. So I just know it didn't crash. Alright, so we're going in, check my inspector, see what's going on. I don't have anything to click with, right? Or I do, actually. Actually, you know what? This doesn't have anything yet. So what I would like to do is to make this work, I can go in my random recipe, functional component, and I have this, where is it? Summary. Ah, beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. So what I'm gonna do in here is I'm gonna say onClick. It probably won't work if I have to pass a reference or pass a prop. Anyways, we'll see it. I'm gonna say it's called, I forgot the name. I think it's instruction info icon. I think. Yeah. Instructions info icon. First thing first though, I need to go back to the gas dashboard and I need to give it a name. Or I need to pass a reference, if I'm even saying it correctly. But here I'm going to say instruction. I'm going to say instruction screen, and I'm going to equal this to this dot instruction info icon, and then change that, put that down here. All right, and then I'm gonna go back in here into instructions. No, wrong. I'm gonna go to random recipe and then finish the saying instruction screen. Let's see if I'm right. Right, I'm going to put a space here because I like that. I like spaces. I don't instruction screen. No. Instruction screen. Instruction. And you can copy and paste. I got an instruction spelling problem today. Instructions. Oh, and then I have to call the parameter. There you go. Should work. Okay, it's coming back on. And then that's a nice little pumpkin gnocchi with basil and parmesan. That looks delicious. But let's see if my info icon works. Does it work? True or false? I don't think it's working. I think I'm missing something. I forgot something. Or did I? Yeah, I did. No, I didn't. What am I missing? What am I missing? I'm so backwards with this. Alright, hold on. Ah, okay. I'll see it. And that'll be I think that's it right there. So once I save it, try again, it should work. I hope. So will the information give me true or false? Yes, it does. It does give me true or false, which I'm very happy for, and it gives me access to everything that I need. So now we can go in there and start setting up the instructions, the recipe instruction page. Okay, so we're gonna create the component page for the instructions now that we have the true and false button properly working. So we're gonna get to that right now. So we're gonna go back to this instructions component, and then we're gonna focus on bringing these down. So what's going on here? Because anyways, let's just say that we're gonna put this. Okay, so we click here. No, this instruction screen is there. So we're gonna put it. Let's see. Oh, we have to do some conditional statements. And the way that worked, it was over here at the guest dashboard, which is here. So I can do another sort of conditional where in the render I created a variable and then I equaled it to the component, and then I just call the component down here as a variable and inside these curly braces. So let's see if this doesn't serve me wrong. Let's see what I can do. I don't like the way this page looks. I want to say let instruction get away from that instruction word. Say food instructions. So that the instructions is not the primary word. So, and I'm going to equal this to instructions. Okay. And then I am going, you know what? I'm going to equal this. I'm going to say here instructions, and I am going to say recipes. I feel like I need that data. So I'm going to say this dot state dot recipes, and then I'm also gonna say, what did I call it? And I was right when I had it here the first time, so I'm gonna put it back in here. This happened. I probably had a brain fart. I always have brain farts. And then that, and then that's that, right? And so what's up with this? No. There you go. I think that's it. This is instructions. Instructions. There it is. It went through. So we're going down here because food instructions hasn't been assigned. Yeah. So in here, I'm gonna put it right underneath. I want to say food instructions. Right. Just like that. Leave it just like that. And then, if I'm not mistaken, I have to reference something because I don't remember. Extended ingredients in here. Okay, I see. Okay. Return. I have to return something. Anyways, let's go into the instructions. Let's head in here. Solved. Everything's good now. All right. So in these parentheses, let's put props. Okay. So maybe props will give me something back. I'm gonna put this over here more. You know, let's make it smaller because I need to see more results, and I want to clear this out. So when I click it, I only have that. So I gotta check for props. Where does this come from? Oh, this comes from. I'm gonna ignore that right now, but it's not. I can't ignore this because this is everything that I need in here. But anyways, nothing happened. All right, so before I lose myself, let me do a log. right? No, let me specifically find it quicker. Put instructions, props. Oh, it's not gonna help me. Unless when I click it, it should give it to me, I think. I'm just making stuff up right now. Check this type. Okay, so anyways, it's giving me something different. But we're going to go in here. Let's go back in here. I'm gonna let me start with a div. Let's see. I need to do a conditional statement so I can play with the page. I don't remember how to do that. I gotta check really quick. Save this. If I go to the extended one, because that's where I did I did some conditional rendering in here. Right back to this. Gotcha. So I can say exit instruction page, and I'm going to equal this to random recipe. I'm not going to do it like that. Let's do that first. I got to call it in. So let me import the random recipe from, should be here. There you go. Oh, no. Click the wrong thing. Random recipe. Okay, so right, so I have to do an if statement. So I can say, man, I don't remember. I could say if props let me go to the guest dashboard. See, if props equals oh yeah, it's not gonna work. Let me go in here real quick. I am lost right now, like always. I'll save that. Let's see if I can get something in here. Clear that out. I hit this. True. So back to this. So if I say if props dot instruct click, I'm gonna say if props dot instruction info icon. Let me try that. And instruct info page icon, I think it was. I don't remember. Instructions info icon. Okay. I'm going to say return exit instructions page. Let's see. get some space here. Right? And then over here in the guest dashboard, I could say, but before that, I need to do one more thing, and I'm going to say instruction screen. And I'm equal this to this dot instructions info icon. Maybe I should separate these. Maybe I should put it. I don't like the way it looks, but I think that's correct. But okay, so looks like it hasn't crashed just yet. However, this dot state is a recipe, right? And then I have these two, and then these are enclosed, but this equals to no, right? So I'm gonna take that out. I don't think I need that. That's old. Still doesn't do anything. But all right, so okay, here I could say if this dot state dot if this equals to true, I'm gonna return. Is it ingredient modal screen? No, that's different. Modal screen. Oh yeah, I'm gonna say return food instructions. Hopefully that'll work. So if everything that I've done in the past serves me right, I should have a blank page when I click this eye. And I do. So right now I don't have anything to X out with, but we just demonstrated that we could get it clicked in there. So that's one good thing. Now the next thing we're going to do is we're going to put in a piece of content in here, or we're going to put the actual. We're going to put like the title of the recipe food, and then just like the way it looks up here in the guest page. Let's reload. I have to put an X button here. I mean, it's not working just yet, but what was I saying? Oh, just like the title, as you see it right here, we're going to put it in the info page in here. So okay, so that concludes my video for today. On the next video, we're going to actually start styling or start inputting the instructions for the recipe, all the information inside the eye icon, and then we're gonna style it. So you're gonna see me style on the next video as well. So see ya.